Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about Trump's sudden immigration shakeup, mandatory medical exams, and controversial $5 million gold card, green card program unveiled. If you're interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. 1. A midnight decree, policy shift without warning. On the evening of June 11, 2025, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services posted a terse bulletin. Every application for lawful permanent residence must now contain a current Form I-693. The video reversed last year's Submit on Request policy and took effect the moment the notice went live. Lawyers working late discovered the change in real time. Their phones lit up with frantic messages from clients who feared months of preparation had just been rendered obsolete. 2. The new non-negotiable, Submit I-693 or face denial. USCIS directive is unequivocal. Whether you file a fresh Form I-485 or already have one languishing in the agency's backlog, no medical form, no green card. Officers have been instructed to reject incomplete packets outright rather than issue requests for evidence. Worse, if an application is denied or withdrawn, the corresponding medical exam is automatically invalidated. Applicants must pay for a new exam, typically $300 to $500 before refiling. 3. Expanding the net, every applicant, every time. A lesser-known rule change from December 2024 quietly broadened the scope of medical exams. Previously, only applicants flagged for health-related inadmissibility had to see a civil surgeon. Now, all prospective permanent residents undergo the full screening: tuberculosis, syphilis, gonorrhea, and verification of CDC-mandated vaccines. The Trump administration frames this as a public health safeguard. Critics counter that it piles financial and logistical strain onto families already navigating a labyrinth of fees. 4. The gold card, pay to stay for the ultra-wealthy. As journalists digested the medical exam bombshell, President Trump unveiled a glitzy companion program, the gold card. Marketed as a patriotic cash infusion, the initiative lets foreign nationals purchase permanent residency for $5 million deposited into a government-managed infrastructure fund. A sleek new website went live within hours, inviting would-be investors to pledge interest. Administration officials insist the plan could wipe out the national debt, touting eye-popping projections of $50 trillion, yet independent economists peg the haul closer to $25 to $40 billion at best. 5. EB-5 on the chopping block. Trump's rhetoric paints the gold card as a replacement for the long-standing EB-5 investor visa, which requires a $800,000 to $1.05 million stake and proof of job creation. However, sunsetting EB-5, or even running a parallel program, demands an act of Congress. Immigration lawyers predict a ferocious legislative battle. Rural states cherish EB-5 capital for local projects, while ethics watchdogs already deride the gold card as a velvet rope shortcut that commodifies U.S. citizenship. 6. Human impact. Families caught in the crossfire. Beyond the headline numbers lies a deep human toll. Applicants scheduled for green card interviews this summer now scramble to secure last-minute medical appointments. Civil surgeon backlogs in major metro areas stretch 6 to 8 weeks, meaning some cases will be denied simply because the clock ran out. 4. Mixed-status households, where a single denial can derail work permits, mortgages, or college plans. The stakes are existential. 7. Legal storm clouds on the horizon. Advocacy coalitions are already drafting lawsuits. Their arguments: USCIS violated the Administrative Procedure Act by skipping the mandatory public comment period, and the sudden retroactivity infringes applicants' due process rights. Parallel litigation is expected over the gold card's constitutionality. Critics say it discriminates by wealth and erodes the principle that immigration should serve the national interest, not the highest bidder. 8. What applicants should do right now. Zenotation spot book a civil surgeon appointment today. Even if your I-485 is still a month from adjudication, secure the earliest slot and keep receipts. Zenotation Spot prepare a just-in-case refile packet. Have updated forms, fees, and supporting evidence ready to relaunch. If USCIS issues a denial, Zenotation Spot monitor USCIS announcements hourly. Changes are arriving with tweet speed. Bookmark the agency's newsroom and sign up for push alerts. 9. Forward-looking takeaway. The administration's abrupt medical exam mandate and the glittering yet untested gold card scheme together signal a seismic pivot. Routine applicants shoulder steeper hurdles, while the affluent receive a red carpet path to the American dream. Courtrooms, congressional committees, and cable news panels will soon dissect every angle. But for now, the message is unmistakable U.S. immigration policy is being rewritten in real time, and vigilance is your best defense. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.